Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2007 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 1SB. This one has been ProCharged and it's got a 6-speed manual transmission. It's painted in victory red with a black interior. All right, we'll start here at the rear of the vehicle. So you can look at the trunk, you can see it's got the privacy shade there. We do have an upgraded stereo system here, so you can see the sub here with the box, and it's got a really great system in it. Okay, well, check out the storage compartment down here. That goes pretty deep. We have a netting here, and then we got the battery location here. And we'll go ahead and close the trunk lid here. We'll zoom out here. It's a hardtop. The Z06 and the C6 body styles were all like this. And we got this beautiful victory red paint. Coming into the rear here, we have this C6 circular Corvette taillights, iconic to the Corvette. We got the Corvette flags there. And then down below, we have the Corsa exhaust system, as you can see there. A lot of performance upgrades on this car. All right, we'll spin the car around. Let's check out the wheels next. Okay, we got the black Z06 factory wheels. They're painted black. The tires are Continental Extreme Contacts. Tire size on the rear is a 325/30 ZR19. And you can see the performance brakes that come with the Z06 with the red calipers here. Let's check out the front wheel. So there's your front wheel. You can see how big the brakes are in the front there. Those red calipers say Corvette on them. Front tire size is a 275/35 ZR18. So nice staggered wheel pattern there. We'll check out the interior on the passenger side here. We got the black door panel here. We got the red highlight there, power locks, electronic door release, and your power windows. Of course, you get the Bose sound system. I'll show you the dash over here. And we'll check out the glove compartment. So we got the owner's manuals in there. Here's your door jambs over here. You get the black Corvette kick plate on this one. Door jambs look good. Here's your carpet and with the carpeted mats. And then here's your leather seat. We'll scan the seat here. You can see the leather looks great. And we got the Z06 embroidered in the headrest there. Okay, we'll close the door now and we'll spin the car around and we'll start back here and walk down the car. We got the hard top coupe there. We got the body colored side mirrors here. And we'll come back here. So the Z06 has the ruled fenders out there, so a wider body for the wider tires down there. We have the venting here that's functional. And then we'll come down here. We got another vent here that says Corvette Z06 505 horsepower. Big number. That's the factory spec, but this one again has been modified, so it's pushing a little more than that. All right, let's check out the underneath the hood. So here's your hood liner there, and here it is. It's a professionally built 7-liter V8 supercharged, and you can see all the performance goodies on this one. And then we got that big honkin' ProCharger right there. Again, everything was done professionally, so it's done right. This one produced 682 horsepower at the rear wheels on the dyno. So relatively speaking, it's probably pushing 780 horsepower at the crank, which is a big number, more power than you can handle. And that's running at about 6 PSI with a very conservative tune. So if you wanted to crank it up, you could do so. All right. Check out the front bumper here. You got that really cool vent on the Z06. And you can see the paint looks great here. Now again, we haven't polished this vehicle yet, so we'll give it a 5-stage polish. And it'll get out any slight swirls, and we'll really make this paint pop. Okay, here's your wheels over here. Door panel on this side. We have memory for the driver, power locks, power windows, power mirrors, and electronic door release. Again, the Bose speaker grill. Now I should say the speakers are probably upgraded. I'm not sure what's under there. So it's probably a full system in this one, and it makes a lot of power for the with the music. All right, we'll check out the pedals down there. So again, it's a manual, so you're going to get the clutch pedal as well. Here's your carpeted mats and your power seat with manual recline, and we'll scan the seat on this side here. And again, Z06 embroidered in the headrest. All right, we'll hop in the vehicle now. Okay, so over on this side here, we got your heads-up display controls. We have your dash dimming lights here, and then here we have your gas door release and your trunk release. On the steering column here, we have manual tilt, your cruise control, your headlight controls, and then this side here we have the audio here with your windshield wiper controls. Okay, we'll go ahead and start it up. It's a push button start. All right, listen to that. That sounds great. All right, we'll zoom back out here. We'll check out this steering wheel here. So we got a full leather wheel. It's all round, and the wheel feels great. The leather, Corvette flags in the center here. Mileage on the vehicle, we have 49,265 kilometers. All the analog gauges, you can see it says Z06 right in the analog gauges there. Let me take the emergency brake off so you can see that there's no lights on the vehicle there. Put it back on there. You got your driver information system here. Universal garage door opener up in the visor. Here's your rear view mirror with a compass built in. And then we have your vents here. Here we have the upgraded Alpine head unit in there. So it's Bluetooth compatible. It has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. And I'll throw it in reverse here so you can see it has reverse camera as well. Really nice upgrades on this car here. And then down here we have your dual zone climate control. We have heated seats. Here we have the ashtray with the cigarette lighter. Here's your 6-speed manual transmission. Then we got 2 cup holders here. Traction control. Manual e-brake handle there. Open that up, you've got your console here with a 12-volt socket. And then we got some ports here so you can connect your media devices, your phone or whatnot. All right, let's open the door. And now you can hear the car running. You can hear the chop with it. And let's get a couple revs. Wow. All right. This is a Powerhouse. You can hear that Supercharger flying here. Let's check out the headlights here. What a great looking car. Spin it around, we'll check out the taillights and listen to the exhaust just idling here. Wow, so much power. This thing is a beast. Alright, so here we have this 2007 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 1SG. It has a 7-liter V8 that's been ProCharged professionally, and it's been done right. 6-speed manual transmission. It's painted in hickory red with a black interior. I should also mention that this ProCharger unit has just been installed earlier this year, so there's not a lot